Planning for retirement can be both exciting and daunting. While many dream of traveling or pursuing new hobbies, there's often an underlying worry about running out of money. This concern is valid, especially in times of economic uncertainty. Hello, my name is Andrew. I'm the AI narrator for this short video. Today we'll explore a popular retirement planning approach called the bucket strategy and discuss where safe money fits into this plan. This video is based on an article you can find at BonoSafemoneyinnovators.com. Let's get started. The bucket strategy is a method of organizing retirement assets into different accounts, or buckets, based on time horizons. A bucket approach helps retirees manage their money more effectively and reduces anxiety about how best to spend down their savings. A typical bucket strategy involves three main buckets. The first bucket covers expenses for the first 0 to 5 years of retirement. The second bucket is for years 6 to 10, and the third bucket is for 11 years and beyond. This structure can be adjusted based on individual needs and life expectancy. One of the key benefits of the bucket strategy is psychological. Organizing your portfolio into buckets gives you greater confidence, knowing you have designated assets for specific time periods. However, it's important to note that even a well-designed bucket plan doesn't guarantee sufficient funds for your entire retirement. When filling your buckets, the first should focus on liquidity and low risk. It typically includes cash, certificates of deposit, and money market funds to cover immediate expenses and emergencies. The second bucket, often referred to as the safe money bucket, might contain lower risk investments like bonds, annuities, and income-focused equities. This bucket provides some growth while protecting against market volatility. The third bucket, with the longest time horizon, can focus on growth assets and more aggressive investments. An important concept to understand when implementing a bucket strategy is the sequence of returns risk. This refers to the potential negative impact of poor investment returns in the early years of retirement. To mitigate this risk, your bucket number 1 should contain enough low-risk assets to cover expenses. That way, you won't be forced to sell off other investments during market downturns. Annuities can play a crucial role in the safe money bucket of your retirement plan. An annuity converts a portion of your savings into a guaranteed income stream, acting as a form of retirement insurance. This can provide peace of mind, knowing you have a stable income regardless of market conditions. Some benefits of annuities include guaranteed income, investment security, and protection against longevity risk. However, it's important to be aware of potential drawbacks such as liquidity concerns, fees, and complexity. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor to determine if an annuity is right for your situation. In conclusion, the bucket strategy offers a structured approach to retirement planning, helping retirees manage their assets across different time horizons. By incorporating safe money options like annuities into your second bucket, you can create a more secure and balanced retirement plan. Remember, every retirement is unique, so it's crucial to tailor your strategy to your specific needs and goals. Thanks for watching. Be sure to contact us with your questions about the bucket strategy or any other retirement income planning topic.